Hey everybody, Nick here from Nick's Taxes, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn passive income by staking in Crypto.com. So we're going to talk about what that means and how it works and how you can start earning passive income through the Crypto.com app today. So to get started, if you don't have a Crypto.com account, I have a link below that can help you get started. It's Nick's Taxes. If you sign up and also get yourself a Crypto.com Visa card like this one here, you can get $25 USD for signing up using my Nick's Taxes referral code. So that'll be linked below, and you also get yourself a Visa card. I talked about how the Visa cards work in a prior video, and I will link that here. I have the Visa Ruby Steel card, which I really like. I get cash back in the Crypto.com native cryptocurrency, the CRO. I get cash back in CRO for every purchase that I make using this Visa card. So check that out, get yourself $25. But in today's video, we're going to talk about staking and earning interest as a result. But before we get into it, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you get value out of this video, please hit the thumbs up button. I'd appreciate that. It just helps my channel grow and gets this video out there to more people who might find this useful. So staking is like basically putting your stake in the ground and saying, I am putting my funds, my assets here for X amount of time. And so as a result, Crypto.com can take those funds that you are staking and do what they so choose with it, hopefully earning a profit and then giving you some of that profit back in the form of interest. Okay, the same works when you have a bank account. You open up a savings account with whatever bank. They promise you X percentage as interest, and then they take that money. They don't just let that money sit there. They actually take it and they do stuff with it. They earn a profit on top of that money and then give you that little bit of interest as like a thank you for your funds sort of thing. The same thing is happening here with Crypto.com and staking, except with Crypto.com, the interest that you're receiving per annum is a lot higher than what the banks are offering right now. With Crypto.com, you can earn up to 12.5% per annum for staking in certain crypto coins, whereas the bank, you're probably getting at best 1 to 2% right now. And if you're investing in the S&P 500, the average rate of return per year is between 9 and 11%. So if you're able to get 12% per annum for staking a crypto, that is a very good percentage that you would want to take advantage of. So let's take a look at the rates and let's take a look how we can dive into that so you can start earning some easy passive income by putting some stakes in some crypto. So I'm sharing my screen. Here is my Crypto.com app. I got it set up here. You're going to click the middle button here at the bottom, and from there you're going to go into the finance section and hit earn. And this is where it's going to tell you a little bit more about the Crypto Earn program. This is where you're staking in crypto and you can, earn money on your crypto assets. Everything is PA, which stands for per annum. So that's the percentage that you would get over the course of 1 year. But when you look at this, earnings are going to be credited to your wallet every 7 days. So once a week, you're going to be credited on that percentage. So if you're earning, let's say 10% per year, you have to figure out what that is, per month and then per week and kind of go from there. Because right now, if you're taking a look at this, these percentages here are on a 3-month term. So while it says 6% per annum for the Crypto.com coin, you're not getting 6% over the 3 months. If you invest in it over 12 months, you'd get 6%, but you'd have to divide that to figure out how much of a percentage you're going to get in interest over 3 months. Also, the percentage that you're going to the earnings are going to be paid out in the same currency as your deposit. So if you are staking Bitcoin, you're going to get paid back in Bitcoin. So this is where it can get interesting, or you can be a little bit more risky or less risky. If you're going to invest in something like a Bitcoin and you want to stake X amount of Bitcoin, well, you're going to get that percentage back. Over the course of the 3 months, if the value of Bitcoin goes up, well, your percentage of Bitcoin is going to be worth, more in USD than when you started if the value goes up. But if the value of Bitcoin goes down against the USD, well, you're still getting that same percentage back in Bitcoin. It's just the value in USD has also decreased, unfortunately. So your buying power with that would go down. One, though, that you might want to look at is some stable coins such as the USD coin, which basically mirrors the value of the USD at a 1-to-1 ratio. It's backed by the US dollar. So as the US dollar goes, so does this USD coin. So it's a little bit more stable compared to something like a Bitcoin. So you can see here as well, the percentages will vary based on what kind of cards you have. I have the Ruby Steel cards, so I have to switch that over and my percentages will change. Also, you can choose if you want a 1 month, a flexible, or a 3-month term. The longer you hold it in, if you want to use the 3-month, you're going to get a better per annum rate compared to a flexible rate. So it depends on your wants and needs. A flexible rate means you can take out the money anytime. So I'm going to keep it in at the 3-month, and I'm going to take a look at those rates here. If I hit start earning now, I can select the cryptocurrency that I want to use to deposit to start earning. So to get started, if I want to, let's say, use the USD coin, I need to have some of that USD coin in my wallet in order to make that stake. Same goes with Bitcoin or any sort of cryptocurrency I have. So if I hit USD, then my percentages will pop up. You can see here the flexible rate is a 6% per annum, 1 month 8%, 3 month is a 10% per annum. I can choose the amount. Once I hit continue, they'll give me the terms and conditions. If this is your first time, I recommend taking a look at the crypto terms and conditions before you hit agree. You also want to hit the agree button to understand that once you put that stake in, you cannot withdraw that money at any time during that allotted time value for whatever reason. That money is locked in for that time period. Lastly, you're clicking that you understand that crypto assets are not legal tender, nor are they backed by the government. So in Canada, if you have money in a bank account, most banks are backed by some institution where they cover your funds up to $100,000. So if you had, $100,000 in your RBC bank account and RBC went bankrupt overnight, they can back up that $100,000. Crypto does not have that, so there's a little bit more risk involved. However, looking into crypto.com, we have come to the conclusion that it is a very secure and very safe place to be putting or staking your money for the time being. So once I hit continue, I can take a look. Right now it says insufficient funds because right now I don't have any USDC coin to stake. So I'd have to buy USD coin first and then put the stake in. So I'll show you first, if you're looking to buy some coin of whatever, I'll look at the USDC. You want to go to your home page, hit that trade button. You're going to hit buy. And then from there, you're going to pick the coin that you want. I'm going to do the USDC, more of a stable coin. And then I can choose, I can either buy it with my credit card or I can add my debit card to do so. And that would cost 100 USDC is $128.47 of Canadian dollars. And that's basically what the conversion rate is for Canadian dollars to US dollars right now. I also have the option to buy USDC from my crypto wallet. And it's saying that 100 USDC would be 626.8 Crow. Or I can transfer from my fiat wallet, and you can see, again, $128.49 of Canadian dollars would give me 100 USDC. So once I buy the USDC, I'm able to go back into the Earn program, and from there I can put my stake in and I'll start earning. Again, you'll get paid on a weekly basis. One thing, as of course being called Nick's taxes, I need to let you know that earning interest off of your crypto.com account is taxable. So the money or crypto that you are earning per annum on the weekly basis, that is going to be considered taxable income. So whether you're in the States or in Canada or wherever you are, you want to consult with a tax professional or someone who knows what they're talking about when it comes to taxes for how that's going to work. Even though you might be earning USDC coin or you might be earning Bitcoin, you're going to have to convert that into Canadian dollars and report that value in Canadian dollars as interest income on your tax return when that time comes. So that's how you can earn interest on your Crypto.com app. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Again, if you got value out of this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm Nick from Nick's Taxes. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.